How to see when you created your Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can see when you created your Instagram account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, just open up your Instagram and go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Then tap on the top right corner on settings and activity. After you there, scroll down. There you can see an option that says your activity. You can head over there. After you're on your activity, you can scroll down and there you should find how you use Instagram section on the bottom. Head over to account history there. And under account history, you can find your account created date. So there you can see I created this on March 9, 2025. So yeah, that's basically how you can see when you created your Instagram account. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.